Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet and give you the pattern for this zigzag, chevron, shawl, or wrap. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. When your foundation chain is the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the fourth stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. To double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that is going to count as 2 double crochets. Now you're going to double crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Like that. You have your first turning chain, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochets. Now this section you're going to repeat over and over till the end of the row. So you're going to double crochet 3 together. 1, 2, 3. To work a 3 double crochet, decrease, yarn around the hook, insert into the next stitch, and pull up a loop. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Yarn around the hook, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Yarn around the hook, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn around the hook, pull through 2 loops. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all 4 loops on the hook. And that is a 3 double crochet decrease. And now you're going to double crochet in 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In the next stitch, we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Like that. Double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Like that. And the next stitch will be again a 3 double crochet decrease, and you can see that it's beginning to form the ripple stitch. So after working across the row, you'll have 1 stitch left. Work 2 double crochet in that stitch. 1 and 2. So that's 2 double crochet in the last stitch. 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And this will count as the first double crochet. Double crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there I have my turning chain, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to double crochet 3 together. Sew yarn around the hook, insert into the next stitch, pick up a loop, and pull through 2. Yarn around the hook, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2. Yarn around the hook, insert into the next stitch, pull up the loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, pull through all 4 loops on the hook. And now double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Like that. There's my 3 double crochet decrease, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now the next stitch is going to be worked into that chain 1 space, and it's going to be a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, all in this chain 1 space. Crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Like that. So you're just going to keep repeating this row over and over until the wrap is the length that you would like. So it's 6 double crochet, then the 3 double crochet decrease, 6 double crochet, then a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, 6 double crochet, a decrease, 6 double crochet, and at the end of the row, you work 2 double crochet in the last stitch.